In this video, I'll show you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and go to Accounting, then Bank Transactions. In 2 it says, this is where downloaded bank and credit card transactions appear for review before they're added to your books. Next, choose the bank account you want to work with and open the For Review or Pending tab. Then click the transaction you want to categorize. Look for the category field, choose the correct income or expense category, and then save or post the transaction. Intuit says this is the standard way to categorize bank transactions in QuickBooks Online, both on web and mobile. If one transaction needs to be divided between more than one category, use Split. Intuit says you can assign multiple categories and amounts to the same bank transaction as long as the difference comes back to zero before you save it. If you do this often, you can also create bank rules. Intuit says bank rules can automatically apply categories to matching transactions in the For Review tab, which saves time on repeated entries. And one important thing to remember, your categories come from your chart of accounts, so if you don't see the right option, you may need to add or review that account first. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.